Now I want you to imagine, what if you can earn up to $500 per day simply by typing names online? I mean, how cool is that? Here's exactly how it works. Now, we type one word or one name, for example, David, and boom, you make money. And when you type another name, say Jennifer, and boom, you get paid once again. This is such an incredible opportunity, and here's exactly how much money you can make. When you type one page of names, you could earn $15. Type 5 pages, you can earn $75. And when you type 20 pages a day, you can earn $300. The best thing is, there's no limit to this. You can type as much as you want, and you could earn as much money as you want as well. You can do this on your phone, or you can do this on your computer. This opportunity is 100% free and available worldwide. Make sure you watch until the end so that you don't miss out on the sign-up process, because it's actually very tricky and most people, they do it wrong. Also, I'll be giving you another bonus website to earn triple more money compared to other people, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications, and with that, let's get into the video. You can see here, when we use the calculator of this website, we can actually estimate how much money you can actually earn from this brand new opportunity. Look closely at this. Rate per word, which means how much money you can get per word that you type. In this case, it's actually 50 cents in US dollars. Now, usually in one page we have around 300 words. For example, this typing name project right here, this is actually page number 1, and right here, this is page number 2, and this is page number 3. And for each of these pages, you can actually get paid simply by typing names. Now, let me show you this page where we can actually get paid $15, and the total word count is up to 300 words. And when you just go down below, you can see this is actually one word. Now, as you go down below, you can see here there are a total of 300 names, meaning 300 words, and you can earn $15 per page simply by typing names on this website. This is actually a very good earning opportunity. Take a look at this. $15 per page, and we can receive even up to 20 pages a day, which means we can easily earn up to $300 or even $400 per day simply by typing names on this website. First of all, I want you to come over to this website, which is called talentdesire.com. Earn money online from home without investing a dime, and this opportunity is absolutely free. You don't need any investment, and you don't need any money to get started. When you scroll down below, you can actually see they offer different opportunities to work from home, including online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, online pay surveys, and there are many different jobs that you can do. But right now, on this video, we're going to focus on online typing job, because this is one of the simplest things that you can do on this website, and it requires no experience or skill at all. You can see here the only typing job. I want you to go ahead and click on this red button right here to read more. Now, take a look at this. You can earn $13,500 all the way up to $27,000 per year. Such a good earning opportunity for people from any country in the world. Now, for the joining fees, you can actually see here that registration is free. There are no hidden costs before or after joining, and they don't ask about the investment on any stage. This is a free and worldwide opportunity. Now, right over here, we can see depending on what level you are, you get paid different amounts, ranging from beginners all the way up to experts. Now, just a moment. I'll give you some special bonus tip that can help you get a higher rate. You can see here, even if you are a complete beginner, you can actually get paid at an expert level, and I'll show you the strategy in just a moment. And no other people know about this, so right now, I'll show you the first bonus tip that can help you earn the higher rate simply typing names online. Now, I want you to go on to ratatype.com. Basically, this is the homepage of this website where you can take a free typing test, and I want you to click on this yellow button right here, and then you're gonna come over to this page where we can actually start typing using a phone or using your computer. I want you to go ahead and click on Start Typing Now. Click on the yellow button, and the reason why I want you to do that speed typing test is because this website, Ratatype, actually offers you a free certificate, as you can see here. Now, you actually get the certificate for free, and I'll show you all the steps in this video on how to get it, and the reason why you need a typing certificate is because that will boost your income and your earning rates per page. If you want to make $15 for every single page that you type, make sure you got the certificate, and this is the ultimate secret. because even if you're completely new, if you have the certificate to prove to them that you can actually type, you can get accepted much quicker. We can get a high paying rate and unlimited job opportunity, and with that being said, that allows you to get paid up to $300 or even $400 per day simply typing names. So once again, it's very important to keep watching to see exactly how to get this free certificate and how to complete your application on talentdesire.com. Now, you can see when you start typing on this website, they will start calculating how many words you can type per minute and also your accuracy. Accuracy meaning whether or not you type any spelling mistakes or any typing mistakes. You can see here your accuracy should be between 98% up to 99.99%, and the higher your accuracy, the more money you can make. Once again, by doing a typing test and taking our certificate on this website, you can show them your typing speed and also your accuracy, and that's going to give you the higher pay rate. Real quick, let me show you a real life example of doing this test right now and how to get your certificate for free in less than 5 minutes. You can see here once I finish typing, they're going to show me my typing speed right here, which is 44.6 words per minute, and my accuracy is 93.2%. This is my actual results, so if your speed is lower or if your accuracy is lower than 98%, don't worry about that because you can go back to this website, ratatype.com, and you can retake the typing test again for free until you get a higher speed or higher accuracy. Now once you get the results that you're satisfied with, you can actually scroll down below here and you can sign up for a free account on Ratatype by clicking on this link right here. You can create a free account by putting in your name, your email address, your password, and go ahead and click on this I agree to the terms and conditions and click on this yellow sign up button. You can see here I put in my name, my email address, and my password, and I click on this one right here and click on this button. And once I signed up for a free account, I'll come on, log into my Ratatype account. You can just close this tab right here. You can see my name right here on my dashboard, and this is my results, my typing speed, and also my accuracy. Now when you scroll down below, you can see this is my certificate. Just click on my certificate and you'll come over to this page. You can see her awarded to Digital for typing in English with speed of 50 words per minute and accuracy of 99.7%. And they even show you the signature from ratatype.com to verify that this certificate is real. This certificate right here is actually very good for you and you can get paid a much higher rate. I want you to keep watching because I'll show you how to sign up, how to register and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com, and you can start receiving typing jobs and projects just like this one right here, and you can get $15 over and over again. Now when you scroll down below here, we can actually click on this print button right here. Don't worry, you can do this on your computer, you can do this on your phone as well. You just have to save the image of your certificate or save as a PDF file. Just click on the save button. You can see here, this is my actual certificate that I got from Ratatype for free. Once you get the certificate, you can begin to apply for these jobs. So we're gonna go over to talentdesire.com, and I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website, and I want you to click on this red button, Apply Now. And then you come over to this page where we can start applying to your job. But please, pay very close attention and watch this video until the end because the registration page here is actually very hidden on this website. You might actually get lost or fail to find the registration page if you don't watch this part. Now, once you land on this page, just go down below and you can see here, select an application. And then you will be on this page and you scroll down, choose whether it's not an online or offline, but we will go to online application. Click on this red link, and after that, you're gonna come over to this page where you can see online application form for work at home jobs. I want to just go down below and look for the small red link right here. Fill in your details to apply and work with us. As you can see here, the registration page is actually very hidden on this website. If you cannot find this registration page, make sure you rewatch the video again, or you can bookmark or save this video to your playlist and rewatch this video once again. When you scroll down below this page, you can see that you're gonna fill in your personal information. First thing that you have to do is click on this and accept the privacy policy, and then put in your first name, your last name, and also your email address, your contact numbers, and also your country. Click on this down and we can see them accepting people from all over the world, including countries like India, the Philippines, Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, Pakistan, and many more different countries. Now I want you to comment down below and let me know what's your country and where are you coming from so that I can create more videos from your region in my future videos. Moving on to the next step. Basically, it's about your professional info. Very important section, and most people do it wrongly on this step. Now I want you to type in the job title section, which is Professional Data Entry Specialist. Very important for you to type the job titles like this one and then what time is the best for you. Click on this down arrow here and you can actually see here whatever time that you want, but I want you to choose on all day, and that's going to give you more opportunities, more jobs, meaning you could earn more money and also your best way to receive your earnings. Click on this down arrow here and you can actually choose from PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, or Skrill. So for me personally, I would choose on PayPal. Now when you scroll down below your current profession status, you can choose one of the status right here. So in this case, you choose on self-employed, and once you fill in all the details, you can actually click on this. Yes, I read and accept this statement. And also your signature, you just have to put in your full name right here and click on this. I'm not a robot. After that, just click on the submit button. Simple as that. And once accepted, you can begin receiving the typing name jobs just like this. As you can see here, in one page you can earn $15 for just 300 words, and this is just one page. And the second page you can see here, another 15, and this is page number 3, another $15, and you can earn $15 over and over again for every single page that you type. But make sure you submit your job on time to keep receiving more and more daily jobs. If you want more money making videos, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell, and right on the screen you'll find additional videos showing you more amazing ways to make money online. Click on any one of these videos to start watching, and I'll see you on the next video.